Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, welcome back to Unboxmas. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Ren, here again with another video. This is Unboxmas Day 3, Unboxing 2. Oh, that's confusing. I don't expect that every video. I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep that going, to keep track. I don't know. I'll put it in the title what day it is in Unboxmas, but I think that's what I'm working with right now. I think it's day 3. Yeah, December 3rd. So, and then there's the second unboxing because we didn't unbox the first day. All right, so if this is your first time here, hello, how are you? I'm Auntie Ren. How you doing? Make sure to like and comment and subscribe. Yeah, for sure. Don't forget to do that. But basically what we're doing here is instead of vlogmas, which would just take way too much effort for me, I'm doing the lazy version of vlogmas, and we're doing Unboxmas. So I just unbox an item every day till Christmas. And if you are returning, hi. It's been so great seeing so many familiar names and faces in the comments and on my Instagram. I will also put that up somewhere on the screen if I can, but yeah, it's so great to see some of you again and just reconnect with some of my returning sobbies and fellow YouTubers. So hello darlings, welcome back. All right, so it should say it in the title, but today we are doing a Chanel unboxing, and as you know, I've been trying I'm trying to keep these short so that they don't get too overwhelming, because you know Auntie Ren we love a long unboxing. So anyway, so I've got some Chanel bits here, so we're gonna get right into it. Oh, all right, so I thought I needed a scissor, but I don't, or a box opener, because it has the pull tab. You know I love a pull tab. You know, this is my jam. I love a pull tab. Let's see if Chanel can come through. Not bad, not bad. Pretty decent pull. All right, let's see, what do we have? Now Chanel just does really beautiful packaging. So I'm gonna give you an open. Ta-da! Can you see that? Oh my gosh. Yep, so they just do such a great job with this. So just taking it out of this. Inside is an envelope. And in the envelope, I mean, pretty basic things. It's going to be your receipt and a return shipping label. Ding. Let's give it an open. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Set that down. Can you see it? Never know if I can see it, but I think so. Yeah, you can see it if I put it here. There you go. I can see it in the reflection now. Yes, okay, this is good. So gonna give it an open. It's a sticker. And what do we have? What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? So what is it? Do you know? All right, so if you know, you know. The white boxes, Chanel doesn't do white boxes unless it's beauty, so this is a beauty unboxing, and my husband's laughing in the background. It's a beauty unboxing, so it's not a bag, it's not jewelry, it's not clothes, it is a beauty unboxing, but they just do such a darn good job of boxing it up. So there's all this shredded paper in here, which I'm going to set over to the side. We don't need that. And what I always get from Chanel, I use these faithfully. It is the Lake Cotton, which is the cotton squares that you can use to apply your face toners. You can use it to remove makeup, to remove eye makeup. I'm obsessed with these. I buy these all the time. I don't think that I've ever opened one of these, so I'll open it up for you, because I'm out, so I'm going to be using this one right after this video when I go to wash my face and do my nighttime skincare routine. I'll be using this, so might as well just open it. So it's sealed with the plastic over top the box, and on there it says, I believe it says Le Cotton, cotton extra dew, extra soft cotton. You know I don't speak French, so you can see that. All right, and then it slides out like this. So the sleeve, it's a sleeve over it, and then there is another little sticky here over top. All right, and just give it a snip, and then you open it up, and inside is another like a parchment paper, it feels like. It's not like embossed with anything or anything like that, but then the cotton pads are in there. Obsessed. So I'll take one out so you can see what it looks like. I believe in this box comes I want to say it's 100 of them. Yes, it's 100 cottons. They are rectangular in shape, and they have on it a little CC, little Chanel CC, debossed. Is this debossed or embossed? I think if it's in, it's embossed, right? I'm not sure, but it has the symbol in the actual cotton pads. So why am I so obsessed with these? Why do I buy these things? Because you know, Chanel, like, really, is it just like for bougie purposes, like, or is this like really, like, is it for a reason? And I have to be honest with you, it is probably the best cotton pads that I have ever used in my skincare. A lot of times when I'm using toners or what have you, the cotton pads, they tend to like shed or give off like little hairs and so on in your face, and when you're doing your skincare and so on, and you're putting on your moisturizer, and you have like these little like pieces of like residue from the cotton pads on your face, turning into like little balls and pilling into your product. I don't like that. So this just goes on super smooth. It's also strong, so if I saturate it, like if I'm removing my eye makeup and I'm putting like a lot of I use micellar water when I take off my eye makeup, and if I put that on here, I don't have to worry about it like falling apart. Like, it holds its shape. It's just the best. Another box, here we go. Oh wait, there was something else, sorry. Wait, before we go to the next box, there was something else. So there's this little pouch was in there as well. And when you order beauty from Chanel, they always send you a sample. So this is Chanel Bleu de Chanel, which is, I guess, the whatever fragrance. I don't know if it's men's or women's, I don't know. I don't normally like Chanel fragrances. I don't know, am I the only one? Comment in the box down below and let me know if I'm the only one who doesn't really care for Chanel fragrances. They're a little too, I don't know, mature for me, maybe a little too floral. I haven't found one that I really like. Like, I don't like Chanel No. 5 at all. This is not bad. It just smells like traditional perfume though. Like, it's nothing special about it. Like, I smell Chanel perfumes and I think of like walking through like Neiman Marcus, or walking through like Macy's, you know, department store. I mean, I think of the perfume ladies that stand in the aisle and try to spritz you or give you like those little cards. It's okay, but it's just not, it's all right. All right, on to box number 2. Woo. Okay, another pull tab. All right, okay, I'm not mad at it. Clean seal, nice. Gucci, take notes. Okay, and it opens the same way. Ding. So we're gonna take this box out. Again, another envelope in there. Nothing special there. I love these boxes, by the way. The quality of the Chanel boxes that they send you with the beauty items, it is so sturdy. Like, you can definitely recycle this. I sometimes use these I have used them to store sunglasses. I've used them to store scarves, and like, you know, or in a drawer or something, or on a shelf. I'll line them up. I have stored perfumes, like extra perfumes that I haven't opened yet, because I'm one of those obsessive people that buys, you know, multiples of things. So if I have an item that I haven't opened quite yet, I'll use the Chanel box because they're super sturdy. Love that. Here we go again. Same situation. It just needs to open the sticker, or unstick the sticker. All right, now this one we've got a bit more going on in here. Okay, hopefully it's in there. All right, so let's get everything out of the box. So again, the cotton. I don't know why they pack these in 2 separate boxes. Talk about waste of product. I mean, waste of packaging. Chanel. No one ever said luxury wasn't wasteful, Lord. But anyway, so we've got the cotton again. I buy multiples of these. So this is like a backup. So the other one I'll be using starting this evening. And then this is a backup. So okay, that's what I get. Then with this, oh, okay. So I had got this before. I think it was this one, I'm not even sure. But I got this. This is the Chanel hand cream. I had got this to keep in my purse. Oh, probably like, I don't know, a couple months ago, maybe last year. No, summer? I'm not sure. Anyway, but I can't find it. It's gone. I don't know, someone took my hand cream. I don't know, I got robbed. So I just went ahead and ordered another one because I did like it, but I didn't get to use it for very long. So it was kind of like, well, that's a waste. So yeah, someone took my hand cream. So it, once you see it, you'll know. So it looks like a little egg. Oh, but this one is different. So this is matte, or it feels like matte. The other one that I had was smooth and shiny, and this one looks like it's a little bit more matte. Looks very much like an egg. Yeah, oops. So yeah, from what I remember, oh yeah, okay. And this squeezes out a lot easier than the other one did. Oh, nice. Oh, this smells nice. This smells really nice, soft, creamy. Oh yeah, I like this, especially now where, you know, with everything that's going on with the viruses and so on. I'm washing my hands more often, even whilst I'm out. So it's nice to have a hand cream. Yes, this smells really nice. It smells very, very fresh, a little florally, but that could be the blue that I sprayed on earlier. But smells really, really nice, really clean, like clean hand soap. But I like it. I like it a lot. So I'm glad to have this back in my arsenal, I guess. I don't know what happened to the other one, and I feel like the other one had a different name. I'm not sure, but it just says Chanel Paris on hand cream. That's all it says here, on hand cream. See, ta-da. All right, so this is, oh wow, okay, this is Chanel number 5. Why in the world would I get that? Maybe you don't get to choose your samples. Why in the world would I get Chanel number 5? Maybe just to solidify how much I don't like it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, why would I get that? That's so random. I'm gonna spray it and see if I really hate it. Okay, I don't hate it. But wait, is this really Chanel number 5? It is. I don't know, maybe with the hand cream it smells a little nicer, because the hand cream is so soft and fresh. It doesn't smell too much like an old lady. I mean, nothing wrong with the old ladies, honey. We're all aspiring to get to the old lady status, but it's all right. It's just not me. I like smells or fragrances that are a little bit more like, you know, deep, musky, vanilla, kind of spicy. You know, think of like a Moroccan spice market with like a vanilla stall next to it or something like that. Like, that's more my speed. This is way too like floral, and I don't know. I like the elegance. I like to be elegant and all that, but I like my fragrances to be a bit more sexy and bohemian, if that makes any sense. So, all right, so that's that. Another sack. but yeah, whatever. Maybe they'll make nice stocking stuffers, the little sample fragrances. But that's all. So that was my Chanel Beauty unboxing for day 3. I'm gonna mess this up. For day 3, unboxing number 2 for Unboxmas. So what are you guys picking up? What are you shopping for? Where are you shopping? So many deals going on. I'm doing a lot of damage, trying to just rein it in and really focus and get the things that, you know, either I really want or things that I want to get, you know, for my family. But would love to hear what you're vibing with, what you're getting. I am like obsessed with Loewe lately, so I've been looking at the puzzle bag. I don't know, because at first I thought it was like a gimmicky bag. I thought it was like you know, okay, whatever, it's like a box and then it falls down and yeah, okay, you know, so whatever. But then I keep seeing it and I'm like, oh, it looks so good, and then they come out in like different colors and so on. So I don't know. And then I'm really at a place now where I feel really good about my core collection, so I'm starting to like span out and want to try different colors. I want to try different brands. I want to try some different things. So we'll see. Maybe I'll have some surprises you know, to share with you all. As far as unboxings go, I don't know, maybe I'll do like Amelia at Amelia's closet and like just boss out and get a hot pink Chanel mini. I think she would be so proud of me. But anyway, I don't know, because my collection is very much core collection, monogram, you know, very like traditional, classic, period. So I'm in the mood for something different. So we'll see. Anyway, that's it for me. Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when auntie is in the house. But guess what? I'll be here tomorrow. So, because we're here for Unboxmas. This is what we're doing here. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you tomorrow. Talk to you soon. Bye.